Cognitive psychology is the scientific study of mental processes, including how we think, perceive, remember, and solve problems. It seeks to unravel the mysteries of the human mind by exploring the intricate processes that shape our thoughts and behaviors. From the moment we wake up, our minds are constantly processing information, making sense of what we see, hear, and feel. This field examines everything from perception, where sensory input becomes meaningful, to memory, which stores our life's experiences. By understanding these processes, cognitive psychology opens a window into the complexities of human cognition and helps us appreciate how our minds work every day. Roots of cognitive psychology stretch back to early thinkers like the Gestalt psychologists and the rise of behaviorism in the early 20th century. However, the real turning point came during the cognitive revolution of the 1950s and 60s, when researchers began to focus on the mind's internal processes. The information processing model emerged, likening the mind to a computer. Information enters through our senses, is processed and stored in memory, and then guides our action. This model helped shape modern cognitive psychology, which now incorporates insights from neuroscience and developmental theories. Understanding this evolution helps us see how the field has grown and why it remains so vital today. The heart of cognitive psychology are several key processes: perception, attention, memory, language, problem solving, and decision making. Perception allows us to interpret sensory information, while attention acts as a spotlight, focusing our mental resources on what matters most. Memory stores and retrieves information, enabling us to learn and adapt. Language and thought are tightly woven, forming the basis of communication and reasoning. Problem solving and decision making draw on these processes, helping us navigate challenges and make choices, though not always perfectly, as cognitive biases can influence our judgments. Together, these processes form the foundation of how we understand and interact with the world. Our brains are remarkable information processors. Sensory data enters through our senses and is filtered by attention, which determines what's relevant. Visual and auditory cortices process sights and sounds, while other regions handle touch, taste, and smell. The brain integrates these inputs, creating a coherent perception of the world. Information is briefly held in sensory memory, then passed to short-term memory for active use, and finally stored in long-term memory for future retrieval. This seamless flow enables us to reason, solve problems, and make decisions. Understanding these pathways highlights just how complex and efficient our cognitive systems truly are. Cognitive psychology has far-reaching applications. In education, it shapes teaching methods and curriculum design to enhance learning and memory. In clinical settings, cognitive behavioral therapy draws on these principles to treat anxiety, depression, and PTSD. User interface designers use cognitive insights to create intuitive digital experiences. Research continues to uncover new findings, promising even greater understanding of the mind. While specific recent breakthroughs may require consulting up-to-date sources, the field's ongoing evolution holds the potential for innovative solutions and improved well-being for individuals and society. Cognitive psychology remains a dynamic and essential area of study.